Now it's time for the demo of Salesforce Industries and Vlocity, which Neha is going to present to us, in which she's going to make us understand how it actually works. Up till now, it was all a chat that was going on. Now it's time for the show. Let's begin.
All right. So again, we'll take an example of allied insurance, right? So for allied insurance, we built a couple of modules that are very basic and required for any insurance company. Yeah. So obviously, very first is insurance registration. Yeah. Any of our customer will come to you. They want to opt for an insurance. Yeah. So it will ask for a couple of details. Let's say I'm a new customer for allied insurance. I'll fill in a couple of details to this form.
And what's with the steps at the right side?
That's very cool. As I told you, right, guided flow. I've used this term a lot. This is
Guided
your
path, OmniScript.
Yeah, it's exactly OmniScript.
All
The
right.
thing that I'm doing at the moment on the screen is
Is
done
running
using
an
OmniScript.
OmniScript. All
That's
right.
right. I have built this entire UI using an OmniScript. All these things that I've made mandatory, right? You see this first name, last name is mandatory, but address is not. I have done it using OmniScript. Yeah.
Got it.
So first it asked me for first form. Then on the next step, it will ask me that who I want to opt for this insurance for.
Who do
Yeah.
you want to include in your insurance?
Maybe just for me.
Uh-huh.
So it will ask for my age. Yeah, me and my spouse. See, now do you see this conditional changes in the view? When I chose me and my spouse.
And that's that too dynamic.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's what a customer want.
Exactly.
So when I say me and my spouse, it will ask for my spouse detail, my child's detail, my 2 children detail, my parents, and basically based on the selection that I'm making in among these radio
And you have
buttons.
not written down any code for this.
Luckily, no.
All
So
right.
let's say I just want to choose an insurance for myself.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, again I'll choose what kind of insurance I'm looking for. Let's say critical illness insurance, and if I have any existing illness, COVID, surgical procedure, or anything, how much sum insured I'm looking for or I want, right? Installment tenure, maybe monthly. Duration for 1 year. It will calculate your EMI amount and total plan amount and everything, and you are good to just opt for an insurance
So
registration.
you got a
By
new
the time it is loading, no, what it is doing, it is using data raptor to load your insurance data into your Salesforce system, Salesforce database CRM.
So it's saving all of the information that you've just saved in here into the Salesforce database using data raptors, and it'll fetch some data over here and we'll show it over here.
That is
All
right.
right, which we can use later on.
That's right. Yeah.
Alright,
So
so-
it created your policy number, and by the way, in the back end, it is giving you a notification as well, email notification. So onto your registered email address that you have provided there, you will get an email notification that thank you for registering.
And of course, you wouldn't have written any code for that as well.
Just obviously, I had to build that email template.
Uh-huh.
That is according to the business requirement, but no code.
Got it.
Just by using that email action in the OmniScript, and I'm good to send an email.
Got it.
Yeah.
So this OmniScript, is it similar to Salesforce flows? Because
Actually,
this is
I'll
exactly
tell
what
you-
it does.
Yeah, but Salesforce flows will not give you this much functionality or this much, like for example, freedom, I would say, and capability. Like for example, based on a radio button selection, I showed you different fields. Based on another radio button, I showed you different fields. For that, flow will not be that flexible.
Flexible. Got it.
Yeah, but OmniScript is. I mean, yeah, you can say functionality-wise, you can compare it with flows, but
it's not that.
it is not. I would say no. It's not just justice to the OmniScript.
Because, got it. Because it's just let's forget about flows. Let's continue with this submit a claim.
So now let's say I am a customer at Allied Insurance and I just booked an insurance for myself. Now because of some reason I want to submit a claim now. Let's say. Yeah, so there is another module for that. Here you just need to enter some of your basic details. So I'll just use that policy number. Yeah. And you need to enter your registered email address. Again, while this is loading, it is doing what? Okay. I entered some. Do you remember the policy number that was generated?
1672 probably.
No, it was 1144.
1144. Can you go back? I think.
No, I completely forgot.
1172. Go for it.
It was double number.
1172. 1172. Go for it.
I highly doubt. Nah. It was definitely same numbers. It's okay, let me try it again. Yeah.
1155.
Some 7.
1177 probably.
Let me try it for another read.
You can go for 1177 and we'll see.
I'll write POL1177. That's the email address that I used, right? I'm sorry, I'm bad at remembering things. No, I think I'm not writing the correct details. All right, so basically submit a claim is something that you just enter these couple of details. And again, there's a data raptor working behind, which will fetch data based on the entered detail. And it will tell you that, okay, you have this much amount
Can
of...
we do it now?
Definitely.
Let's register another with a dummy data and let's see how you can actually apply for a claim and get it. Forget about Mr. and Miss. Let's just enter any name.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
James@brown.com. Let's change this email address, james1@brown.com, so that even if
All right.
you have just made any changes, or me, just enter any age, submit it, and this time I'll make sure that
I'll also remember.
the policy number.
Yeah, I'll also make sure that I remember this.
None of these. Let's go with none of these.
All right, no problem. Yep. Uh-oh.
You have used something else, something.
What is happening?
So this is exactly what happens with in demos.
That's okay. So
Do you have the policy number? PON-1177. Did you use
that's what
that?
I used, no?
But what was the email address?
That's
used
what I used.
probably
Charlie-
Charlie C small.
It was capital, I think.
Try C small.
Okay, what is happening?
.com. You're nervous. That bit nervousness came in here.
Thank you so much.
So here
Yeah.
it is.
All right,
So
so
this is
based
the data
on-
that you got fetched out of the system using Data Raptor.
Thank you so much. Yeah. All right. So yeah, again for this, there's a data raptor which is going running behind this Omni script, which is fetching this data for me. And again, I have to fill in couple of more information that.
But you do not have to fill the information which is already there into the system.
Yes, definitely. That's the advantage. Yeah. So to submit a claim, I need to provide some more details to the system, right? And I just can submit a claim. And again, in this case, you will get an email notification that your claim has been submitted, and there'll be someone from our team who will be contacting you and will be, taking forward your case or your claim.
Got it.
See, your claim has been submitted and your tracking ID is this.
Got it.
Yeah.
And if I want to renew my policy, there's
Definitely there
something like
is.
that as well.
Again, POL 1177.
1177 Charlie at brown.com.
Thank you.
She doesn't want me to speak at all.
It's not like that. Okay, I'll keep quiet now.
No, you do
Yeah.
not have to. Why are we here then?
Again, I just entered few of the details and it fetched me the plan coverage, the amount to be paid, installment in your amount per installment and everything. And by just clicking on pay now, I'll give my card details and it's that easy to renew your policy.
So you're managing the complete life cycle of this policy with just these three links.
Again, if you see the right side, no? It's a guided path that
Again.
script will show you that these are the steps that will be involved in order to complete your process.
Got it. So you're already aware how much time it will take.
Yeah. How many details you want to put?
Yeah.
One
So you can
interesting
be ready with
thing
all of these
I will
things.
show you. Okay, like for example, you are allied insurance and you want that some of the providers should collaborate with you, should come to your company and should provide insurance. Yeah. So there's another module for provider registration. Again, for a provider, he or she or the organization needs to fill in this detail and can be a part of allied insurance as a provider, as an insurance provider.
Got it.
So these are some basic...
the provider management is also happening using the same thing.
Yes.
Anything and everything that you want to do and store the data of and manage the flow of can be managed using all of these things.
That's right.
and all this information is getting stored into the Salesforce database,
Database.
which can be reviewed by all of your employees who have their license of that.
Yes.
Got it.
That is right. So yeah,
Alright.
that's all about the demo.